Alright, so there's the cutter head. You can see there's a spring pocket. There's another spring pocket. The gib. Okay. If I rotate this around, see there's no jack screws. Just the spring pockets. This is a 1-inch blade without the jack screws in, without the springs in, and I put this in, just let it rest up against the bottom, pushing it all the way up against the wall. You can see the stick out's quite excessive, quite a bit more. Oops, sorry, put it in the wrong way. Sorry. If I can put that in there the right way. When I measure that bottom completely out, the stick up is about 90 thousandths, and the gauge will rock on it. So that's completely bottomed out. Now, this is the blade that I've got new, 1-inch. So now what I'm going to do, got my dial indicator here, we'll set it to inches.